What if your words could build entire worlds? Introducing Genie 3 by Luma A, a groundbreaking leap in generative AI that transforms simple prompts into rich, dynamic, and interactive video experiences. This isn't just text to video, it's something far more powerful. It's text to world. With just a sentence or an image, Genie 3 generates volumetric 3D video, meaning you're not just watching a scene. You're inside it. Every frame is alive with depth, motion, and intention. It responds like a real space with perspective physics and consistency that feels uncanny. Unlike older models that struggle with motion blur, object warping, or broken continuity, Genie 3 holds it all together. Characters stay on model, lighting is coherent, and movements flow with cinematic grace. It's designed for more than beauty, it's built for interaction. With Genie 3, the output isn't just a flat clip. It's a playable simulation, a real-time rendered environment you can walk through, explore, or use as a foundation for a game or animation. Whether you're prototyping a scene, visualizing a story, or imagining an entirely new universe, Genie 3 gives you the power to bring your vision to life without code, without modeling, without limits. Behind the curtain, Genie 3 uses a next-gen video diffusion model, trained on massive datasets of real-world footage and 3D simulations. It combines neural rendering with advanced AI physics to generate consistent geometry, believable camera movement, and surreal, stylized results. Want to design a dreamscape? Launch into a sci-fi world. Create a street filled with neon rain and people passing by. You can do it in seconds. Genie 3 isn't just for developers or studios, it's for creators, artists, filmmakers, storytellers, and anyone with a vision waiting to come alive. This is not just a tool, this is a portal, a new canvas for creativity. Genie 3 by Luma AI, dream it, watch it move, step inside. See. And the best part, Genie 3 keeps getting better. It's optimized for real-time feedback, so you can iterate fast, tweak your vision, and regenerate scenes on the fly. No waiting hours, no heavy rendering farms. Just instant creativity at your fingertips. From virtual cinematography to concept art, from indie game development to immersive storytelling, Genie 3 is becoming the go-to tool for the next generation of digital creators. This is the future of world building, where imagination is the only limit, and your next masterpiece begins with a single line of text. So go ahead, type, click, and let the world unfold. Genie 3, your story, your universe now in motion.